Here's the 15th question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2B. This is a harder set of math questions. Number 15 gives you this coordinate, and it tells you it's the y-intercept, and looking for the value of b. You've got to know that the y-intercept is where x equals 0, so k minus 5 equals 0. So k, the y-intercept, equals 5. And from there, probably the easiest thing to do is to plug 5, 13, and then 12, negative 15 into Desmos. And when you do so, you get the following. You got to put after that, so you hit plus to get the table, you hit the table, you put your values in, and then instead of y equals mxb plus b, you got to put y1 tilde mx1 plus b, and then it gives you the value of b down here, 33. And there's also a by hand solution. To see that, check out our longer video. Go to Ivy Masters Learning Center on YouTube. Test 2, Module 2B, the harder set of math questions on the playlist. And then the longer videos are going to be just above these shorter videos. Have a great day.